Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by cutting power. Do not wait. Power off and unplug, then remove the battery if possible to avoid shorts. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap and set parts on a clean cloth. Use a Phillips #0 and a plastic spudger to open the housing. Keep screw maps and photos as you go. Make sure to work in good light and avoid forcing clips. Gentle pries prevent broken tabs, which saves time later. You now access the display assembly by removing the bezel and exposing the cables. This reveals the problems. Once the ribbon cables are visible, unlock their latches and inspect for bent pins, corrosion, or detached ends. Document each finding. Make sure to reseat connectors firmly but gently. If you suspect power issues, use a multimeter to check continuity and voltages. If the backlight is dim, test inverter or LED driver circuits. If glass is cracked, plan replacement of the panel. You finish by installing the replacement part or repairing the cable, aligning connectors and securing latches. Use OEM parts when possible for best fit. Once reassembled in reverse order, torque screws evenly and reconnect the battery, but do a power test before snapping the bezel fully in place. Make sure to check display brightness, touch response, and dead pixels. If the screen still fails, try an alternate replacement cable. Receipt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.